Look at the camera and smile.
I combined home and auto with State Farm. Saved $760.
Did you take it yet?
Yeah, I took it.
That's a workout for the legs. Open our legs. Who are your favorite sisters?
Haley.
Haley.
Helly?
Haley.
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 Haley. Come over here and do it again. Ready? Other leg. Other leg. You gotta do it really fast. Turn. Look this way. It looks better when you do it this way. Ready? This leg. Other leg. This way you do it. Your turn. Show me how to do it. You're such a good listener. You think of dance moves so well.
Teach her a dance move.
Do another video for that one.
I've never been to the gallery. Have you, Spud? No.